guess who came out of the coffin? Yeah, that's me, yo. Like, I'm just here to do this review and a makeup. Okay, it's not about like I'm saying this is a tutorial. Okay, this is not a tutorial. Please read, okay? This content because of Moody. Okay, otherwise I won't be doing any content because I don't have lens that I pick up. I don't know why I feel like, oh my god, this reminds me so much of Shenhe, and let's just do this. So yeah, basically that's why I choose that. But yeah, like you can see I'm trying to open it up, and I like how they are not in the bottle actually. Like, it's just so easy to open it, you know what I mean? It's super yellow because I am using a yellow light. And oh my god, the graphic design. Okay, look at this, look at this. Isn't they look like her, right? They look like her. Is that me? Okay, yeah, that's me without like contact lens. That's my eyes, and I'm trying to put that in my, I don't know why it's not focused, don't ask me why, but anyway, yeah, I just pop it inside my eyes like that. Yep. Oh, okay, cool. Now blink. Can you see the difference? Oh my god, the difference, the pigment. Oh my god. Okay, I prefer the white light, but I don't know why I did not record throughout the white light. But yeah, but anyway, yeah, this is how I look like. Okay, because it's gonna expire soon and I want to use that, that's why. I don't always use this color, but I have to do this because I need to hide it. You can see it's really obvious. And I like to make my eye look deeper, so yeah. I don't know if it is the right way or the wrong way, but I'm just creating a canvas on my face, so yeah. Yeah, so I'm not a professional, so it's really hard for me to explain, but take a look at this picture and then you will just get the gist of it. And I decided to make it deeper, so I just draw it. Then I realized that my eyes are small. I'm not sure if like it will work on your eyes, but for my eyes I needed it because I have a broad jawline and I just want the triangle upside down method whereby everything is pointed to my eyes. Honestly, it looked good on me. I'm not sure it will look good on you, depending on your jawline. This is what I see. So on her cosplay, so this is what I decided to edit inside, like, you know. Yeah, it's nothing, it's just like that under the eyes. It's not important yet right now. The important step will be later on. This is not important too. It's just like I just want to make my eyes obvious, so this is what I have to do it, you know, darker eyeshadow. This is to do my waterline. I still think it's easy peasy this way, by like you line the eyes, but you actually drag it down all the way to your inner line. I guess it's like this, but the important part is right here. This is only the first layer, by the way. Okay, this is the first layer. Then I slowly bring it up. That's why you see me trying to close my eyes and open again, just to see where are the gaps, because you're wearing the tape. Okay, right over here you can't see it because I didn't show you how I actually wear my eyelid. Over here, look at it. You see some are uneven when you open your eyes or close your eyes. So that's where you need to build up the gaps. Now I think it looked good. Okay, so this is the part that I want to say. I'm not sure if anybody realized that, but you see that kind of like manga-ish, you know, kind of like eye thingy thing. It's actually being drawn by this. 1, 2, 3. Everybody know this is the Aegyo. We can't live without this. However, I have to let you know that drawing this will actually make you have wrinkles. So this is why I opt for this marker, kind of like 0.5 eyeliner. Look at it, look at it. It just built up perfectly without creating a harsh eye crease all the time, because you keep drawing and you will have wrinkles. So this one is another Aegyo version 2, kind of like that. Again, it's just to create dynamic, and this is how I draw my under lash. I'm not professional, it looks shit, but yeah, it's there, you know. And then I pull out these bad boys. I forgot where I got them, but yeah, they look good. This one is like really optional. My perspective with cosplay makeup is just supposed to be heavy, so this is why I emphasize a lot. And this is actually the mascara that I got it for Gojo cosplay, but I was like, why not? I was heavily influenced by Doing, so definitely adding this. This is a retouch that I always do that, so that it will make my eye look bigger. And can you see the pigment? Yep, everything looks good. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.